1, 2, 3, 4. We right in the middle of the action. Thanks for joining in on this video with me today. If y'all like what y'all see, make sure y'all subscribe to the page, like the video, whatever. I done forgot to put the little tripod thing on the car, but y'all going on a little trip with me today. It's a nice sunny day, man. As y'all can't see. I don't even know why I just tried it. Matter of fact, can y'all see? Y'all can see a little bit. It's a bright, sunny, hot, but it feels good though, day out here in Las Vegas. So I'm getting ready to go for a little drive because apparently there's a little, shortage going on. So first I need to go get some gas. Then I'm hungry because, the microwave is tripping right now. So I'm gonna go get some fresh food, probably a little bit of poke, you feel me? That's something I've started eating, and once I started it, I just can't seem to stop, you know what I'm saying? So I've been loving sushi. I'm gonna take y'all to a poke place that I like out here, and then I got a little delivery in the mail from the FedEx man today that dropped off. So let's see what today brings us, man. Stop number 1, gas station, you feel me? I think I hella lied about it being hot and feeling good too, because it's hot, but it don't feel that good out here, man. It's hot as hell. Shit. We passed on the car wash today, even though the car is dirty as hell. But last time I washed the car, I got it super duper clean, and then it was filled up with pollen. The car was covered in pollen the next day. But let's see if y'all can see where we going next, man. It's over there. Y'all, I don't think y'all gonna be able to see that, but the place is called Poke Express, and seafood is pretty damn good, man. If y'all eat poke, let me know which kind I should try out and from where. I usually be, in Vegas, LA, San Diego, or wherever else y'all think I should get it from, and I might be going to Hawaii soon. Not too sure. Might though. I fill it up, baby boy. Fill it up, man. Come on, come on. It actually does feel good in the shade though, but shit, when I get to the park, we ain't gonna be in the shade. Matter of fact, we might. Let me see if I can find some shade. Gas is heavy today, my boy. Are y'all one of those people when you go to the gas station, you only put a certain amount on the pump? You put like 20 bucks. Me, every single time I come, I fill up. Ain't no point in Ain't no point in filling up just to put a little bit in the tank. You gonna have to come right back anyway. Ain't no point. So now though, like I said, we about to go. Let's get across the way over there. Let's get it, my boy. Time to put on the mask and make it even more hot than it already has to be. Goddamn. I forget the name of the poke that I be getting. But we're gonna go here and take a look. I usually get the same thing every time. I only tried something new one time, and it didn't taste that good, so we ain't doing that again. Y'all can see it now. Poke Express Seafood out here in Las Vegas. Spot is pretty good. Oh wow, they closed. What is this today? Oh, they closed on Wednesday. Ain't that something? Today just so happens to be Wednesday, the day that your boy decides to pull up. So now we about to just sit down. They closed on Wednesdays. That's wild, man. Why it had to be Wednesday? Why the hell did it have to be Wednesday? Wow, I'm disappointed. Well, that sucks. There's a really good soul food place around here too, in the same parking lot, but I ain't got a taste for no soul food right now. That's gonna fill me up a little too much. No, I went to the poke thing.
Okay, you didn't see any kind of people going crazy with a knife or anything, did you?
Oh no.
Okay.
Dang, man, somebody in there going crazy. Somebody, I guess, got a knife up at the Dotties or something. Police just asked me a question. I thought I was about to get in trouble. Goddamn. I said I ain't did nothing but try to go get some poke. I got my mask on. Got my mask on. They said somebody going crazy with a knife at the right next door to where I was just at. Oh, look at it. Look. Second one just pulled up. Is this thing still going? Yup. Second police just pulled up. They said somebody in there going crazy with a knife. I ain't seen nothing. I ain't seen nothing. My boy next to me, look, he confused too. Oh man. What's going on? How you doing?
What's going on?
Oh, I just came out of the little seafood place right there. I guess they said somebody in the Dottie's got a knife or something in there. He was like, "Did you see somebody in there swinging a knife around?" I said, "Nah, I was."
Damn, I was about to walk in that motherfucker.
I said, "Oh, I was over here vlogging. I was trying to do a vlog for the food spot and everything." Oh yeah, they done came. I told. Oh dang, he running in place too.
I wish I was in there 10 minutes ago. Give me a little lump sum.
Some more about to come too. I said I don't see nobody running out unless they got them hostage or something in there.
She ain't talking about the bum that was on the ground right there. On the ground all fucking. No, bro, they be letting motherfuckers hang around all day out here, bro. All the time. And you got this fucking security dude that be walking over here and shit. Bro.
Oh damn. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we right in the middle of the action. They're about to surround the place. Look, he going around the other side. Oh damn, another one. Another 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 of them over here now. He about to go surround the other side. All I gotta say is if you in the building, you might as well surrender because they got you on lock. You ain't getting away.
All the way on.
You ain't getting away, my boy. I'm like, only one person came out. She's obviously the one that called. Oh, I didn't even see one of them went in. I was like, they all surrounding the place. I was like, I ain't see no police actually go in there. Man, that's crazy, man. I guess maybe that's a good thing that that the place was closed and I couldn't get no poke, because if I would have went in there, then I would have been stuck in there. Cause it's a couple of them. 1, 2. I done seen about 5 of them so far. But they said the coast is clear, so I'm about to clear the coast as well. And I guess I gotta find something to eat later. Go somewhere else. Man, that was gonna be perfect though. A nice little poke meal. That's what I usually do. We're gonna go to the park though now. We're gonna go see some birds, some ducks, some turtles. You feel me? We're finna scrape the place, you know, get away from the police. They surrounding me now. They surrounding me, my boy. It's like change of plans since I couldn't get some real food. We at least about to go up in here to 7-Eleven, get some candy or something. Definitely need a drink or something because it's hot as hell out here. Alright, let's see what we get. This the sour green apple. Oh yeah, my boy. This the one right here. We got shit all on the floor. We got the sweet tart grapes. And we need like a Slim Jim or something too. That'll set it off. We ain't got no hot.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Alright, there you have it. Y'all got what we needed up out of there. And now let's get to where we're getting to. See y'all when we pull up, guys. I ain't trying to get the copyright strike on you, boy, man. You feel me? Anyway, we just pulled up. I'm gonna get out the car as soon as I'm done with this. You know, I couldn't even wait. Couldn't even wait to get right down the street. They done put the basketball hoops back up at the park here, so we do got a couple people out here playing. This is a really big park. Not the biggest park that I know of out here. However, it is a pretty big park. I don't even think I've explored the entire thing because it's just too big and it's pretty hot. We in the front with it, man. We about to straight rig this shit. So we're about to do a review on the PennyBoard that just came in. This is my original one right here. This is the Rasta PennyBoard, 22 inches right here. It's got the what is it, Yellow screws on this end, green screws on this end, ABEX 7 bearings, 57mm wheels right there. But that's not the one that we're about to do a review on today. If y'all want to see a review on the original PennyBoard that I got, make sure y'all click the card that pops up. I've had this board for like at least 5 years or so, and ain't nothing wrong with it at all. For those of you who don't know, though, I got the wrong thing right here. For those who don't know, PennyBoards are like for cruising. They're not for, you know, jumping off stairs and grinding and all that stuff that I used to do back in the day. If I could find some videos, man, I'm definitely gonna upload it. Terry, if you still watching, man, I know you subscribe to my channel on the beer channel. I don't know where I'm uploading this one at, but you know, you is my skating partner, roller skating partner, skateboard partner, everything. So if you got some footage, man, send it over, because I know these people gonna think I'm capping about skating and how we done got scabbed up back in the day doing all kind of wild stuff, man. But yeah, I haven't even taken a look and seen what this board looks like, so I'm excited to see it. And I am at the skate park right now. Again, this is not a board that you would take to the skate park. My ass ain't going in there to skate with it. I'm about to skate around the park in general. But yeah, let's take it out real quick. Alright, so this is what we got right here. Let's get rolling. Y'all see it nicely wrapped up. What we got here? We got the warranty. You totally earn this. You can read correctly. Boom, boom. Toss that to the side. I guess we is gonna have to mess up the paper. Yeah, man, Penny Skateboard. I actually ordered this thing directly offline from their website. You can also get it on Amazon though too. I'll drop a link below. This one right here has got the all white screws on the front and the back versus that one having green and yellow. Let's see what the bottom looks like. This one is called the Swirl, and this is officially the nickel board. As y'all can see, looks like it's got some paint defects right there, but I ain't gonna trip. I ain't gonna give it a 1-star review like I've seen some people doing in the comments. We got the white trucks front and back. This one is matching with the cream wheels. Same thing with the cream swirl and the green. I'm liking it, man. This also got the same size wheels as the other one right there, the penny and the nickel. Let's actually do a side by side real quick. As y'all can see, side by side, we got the 22-inch, of course, on the left, the black one, the Rasta, versus the 27-inch, the Swirl, the nickel. This is how they differ out here. Again, if y'all want to see me riding this one, cruising around on that one, click the card that pops up. We about to take this one for a spin right now though, and I'm gonna have to leave the other one in the car. So let's make sure I got my keys on me. I do. Keys, chapstick, the armory. Alright, so they're gonna let me cross. They being nice. As soon as I get over here on the other side, we're gonna roll down to see some ducks, man. Alright, so what I can say right now is this thing is pretty smooth, man. Bad thing is now I got my hands full, camera in one hand, snacks in the other hand, bag right here. So if I start losing my balance, it's gonna be pretty tough to correct that. But I'm pretty sure this thing's about to give me a nice, real good cruise all the way down to where I need to get to go to. I could already feel the flex in the board. It definitely feels weird though, compared to the other joint that I was using in the penny. Having all this room on the board. The other one, as soon as you step on it, the whole board space is taken up, because I believe the widest area of the other one is only like 6 inches, and I got a 10.5 size shoe on, so of course it covered the entire board. Now I could take this little turn right here, but I'm gonna take the long way. Where I'm going is actually over there. Again, we are at Craig Ranch Regional Park out here. But we about to ride down this hill a little bit and then chill and eat when we get to where we're going. It does look like there's a lot of shade though at the park. We got some people in there playing tennis. I don't know if you can see them or maybe hear them. Oh snap, your boy almost fell. But I like to do this little curve right here that slowed me down. Nice views, man, nice views. Y'all see the birds out. Now I gotta start slowing down on y'all. Like I said, this board could have took me all the way to where I need to get to go to, but when it's time to stop, I ain't trying to scrape the board up, you know? Of course it's gonna get scraped up eventually, but not right now, my boy. Not right now. We about to go slow. We about to go slow. Oh, oh, got the birds scared of you, boy. Oh, oh yeah, this thing's got a truck's real loose, so you can carve and curve and stuff like that very easy. That's for sure. She got the roller skates on, clean. Her skates the same color as the board. This park is pretty dope though. If you guys obviously if you live out here, you know about it. They throw events and concerts and stuff like that sometimes up here at this park. Other times it just be dry. Like right now it seems kind of dry besides the people that's playing football, basketball at the courts in the front. But another time I came here, it wasn't even nothing going on, but the park was just packed. There was no events or nothing. Everybody was just chilling. And I think I missed my turn to get to where I'm going. So we'll just ride all the way around. How about it? The park go all the way over there, but I don't think I'm going over there. There's just a whole bunch of land over the whole thing. It seems to be one of the themes at the parks out here. There's a lot about reptiles and dinosaurs, and you see snakes. A bunch of snakes at this one, and I forgot there's a little, I think it's like a bear or something in the front too. This looked like a little fun thing right here that, well, I don't know if it's fun because it's probably gonna burn your ass cheeks, but the rocks, and it's a slide right there for the kids, but it'll probably burn you up. Now this is the reason I came out here, man. Hang out with these guys right here, the swans. Let's see if he comes say what up. Let's see if he want to come say what up to the camera, man. Nah, they chilling. I can't believe some people really be scared of these things, man. Ain't nothing to be worried about, man. If you don't bother them, they don't bother you. You can walk right past them, they won't try to peck you to death. And they can walk right past you and you shouldn't mess with them either. See? Just chilling. Y'all barely came up this tiny little hill right now, and I don't know if it's from this whole ride or literally from this tiny hill I just went up, but I already feel the leg work, man. Leg burning. Look, this is the real reason I came up here though, to see the turtles. Turtles be chilling, sunbathing, basking, what you want to call it. We're getting a phone call, man. I probably should have invited my lady to the park. She probably gonna be like, where you at? Where you at? Why you didn't tell me? Look, she done made the goddamn turtle go away. Man, service is tripping in the area that we was at, but turtle's still right there. He at the top. He just floating around the top area there. People need to stop throwing trash in the thing, man. That's ridiculous. But then again, I do know it'd be a bunch of kids around here, so they, of course, ain't got no respect for the park. But yeah, man, it's a nice chill day. I like to come up here when ain't too many people up here, but then at the same time, when a bunch of people was up here, I don't mind that either, because I get to watch, you know, people watch, bird watch, turtle watch, people watch, everything right now. So, you know, just a couple people out here. But I do need to find. All right, kid over there looks like he's getting up, so I'm gonna go take his spot. That's where I usually chill at anyway. Again, they could be having dookie all over the ground. That's a fresh one right there, man. He just put that one out his ass right there. Oh, they fighting. Nah, they ain't fighting, they migrating. My bad, they migrating. But it's two sides of the pond. And I guess she got service again. Oh, look, we even got rabbits over here. Rabbits eating. I ain't gonna get too close to him because he might really get scared. But, hello?
Where you at?
I'm at the park. Say what's up to the people. You're on camera right now.
Okay.
Oh, that was not very engaging. Recording a rabbit right now, just chilling right at my feet. Just eating grass. You know?
Okay.
Police just pulled up on me. I was trying to go get something to eat. He was like, did you just come out of Dottie's? I said, no, I came out the store next to it. He was like, oh, because they said somebody's in there swinging around a knife. And then like 5 cops pulled up. I'm surprised this rabbit is just like, he just ain't got a care in the world. Usually rabbits just be dipping. He's just like right here by me. I don't want to get too close to him, but like, he see me. Yeah, he's a bold one right there, man. Or maybe he's just used to nobody bothers him. That's pretty good. If he's comfortable, that's good. We want him to be comfortable. But I want them to not be comfortable in my spot over there. Because that's where I need to be at. And they playing. Matter of fact, fuck that. I'm going to sit right next to him. I don't care. It's my park. It's my park. But yeah, look at that. Look at all that shit down there, man. Ridiculous. Oh, damn. Y'all see this big ass ant, though? Oh. You don't want to get bit by that bad boy right there. Y'all see him? Oh, that's a humongous one. Oh, no, this only looks humongous because he carrying a rock. He was carrying some. I want to sit down, but now there's fucking ants all over here. Fuck. Let's stop that little runway. That walkway. Man, that's too many of them. Damn, I can't even sit down. Let's sit at the bench, but that's a boring ass view to stare at that. I'd rather stare at this big one on this side. There's a grass area I could be over at on that side, but ain't no shade. It's a nice cooling breeze too right here. Where can we sit? Alright, I guess we're gonna have to sit at this table or at this bench for now. At least till we get the snacks out the way. Y'all see what it's done so far? Let's turn it around. Already got some nice scrapes on it right there at the top. Guess it's from my shoes. Says Penny Australia. That actually gives a good view in the background for the thumbnail or something. Come on, something like that. Is that good? Oh, we gotta go on this side. Something like that. I don't know. Anyway, this is again what it's looking like. Penny on the trucks with some silver scratched out. P on the back. P for Penny. The carve to it, it's seems like it's a little bit more than the last board that or not the last board, the other one, the 22-inch that I got in the car. But yeah, I like it. I'm about to sit down and eat some of this stuff real quick. Bird watch, people watch, check my phone, see who texting me, calling me, whatever. Matter of fact, first thing, I ate the Slim Jim already. Didn't mean to throw that on the ground. Let's throw that in the trash. Y'all see me, man. I can't be the one to litter if I just told y'all I don't like it when other people do it. Damn, man. This right here is the one. That green apple. Delicioso. Oh, jeez, my boy. Oh, they came out now. They're about to have a shit party. Hopefully, I ain't invited. I'm hoping I'm not invited to the shit party. Shit, I can't even open them motherfuckers, man. Alright, got him. Got him. The young, tangy strawberry. Fire. Damn, skateboard trying to run away. Stay put, my boy. Damn. I hear somebody bumping music around here. It's about time for people to start getting off, so I'm pretty sure this park gonna start filling up not too long from now. But by then, my ass gonna be up out of here. We got a friend coming. Now, set the camera down for 2 seconds. Bugs already crawling all on my shit. Look at this one right here. For some reason, he looked like he just mean. He looked like a mean one right there. Look, that's a nice one right there. That's a nice one. He look mean. They over there making noise. Down to my last bite of candy, man. See if that Poke Express was open though. Oh, that's enough for now and later. Look how close they get to you. Look at this bird. He just walked right up on me. Look at him. My bad, man. I didn't mean to say you look mean. You cool. You look like a good swimmer. You could probably show me a thing or two. I know how to swim though, actually. Y'all know how to swim? I'm trying to decide if I'm about to go back on a cruise, man. Speaking of swimming, since we're talking about swimming. Going to the Bahamas and Coco Cay, the perfect day at Coco Cay. Already been before. If y'all want to see that vlog, it's actually a series of vlogs. Damn, they all just came over here. What the hell? God damn. Y'all smell my candy or some shit? What the hell? Alright, I feel like I'm about to get attacked now, god damn it. Even the pigeons over here. Oh, that's why. Because they smell that person just brought some food. He about to dump it. Like he over there dumping it. About to have them shitting all over the place. God damn. I guess somebody got to do it though. But now they about to go crazy. And that means I need to get the fuck out of here. Because that means, you know, when you eat, you shit right after. So I'm about to keep it pushing somewhere else. Because my guy's out here feeding the pigeons. Oh yeah, it's like the bird lady on Home Alone. Yeah, the bird lady on Home Alone. That's what that guy is right there. They love him though. I knew something was going on. He probably come around on the regular. Damn, this nigga right here. He looking real buff. I don't even know. I'm gonna have to zoom in on him. Oh, he looking real buff. Or is that how the women do it? I don't know. I don't know my animals and their routines like that, but they looking like, nigga. Shit, I just benched 450, nigga. Ate all the snacks. All I got left is the Gatorade. Green apple. When I leave, I normally go the other way. But today, we're going the opposite way. I don't think I want to leave just yet. But he interrupted my spot over there. Y'all see it though, it's a bunch of them on this side too. Whatever, let's continue taking y'all for a ride around the park. I ain't gonna go nowhere fast at all though, because we gotta go uphill. Since we cruised down the whole thing already. The board surely has a lot of flex in it though. I think I just wanted to spend some money because seeing as how I already have one, I don't think I really need another one. And you know, I didn't really put it to the test yet. I just cruised around with it at the park. But like when I actually use this thing, I'll cruise around the neighborhood. So I don't know if this is going to be a better fit for me versus the other one as of yet. But at the moment, I'm just feeling like I just wanted to go for a little spin, and I want a refund, but we ain't gonna do that. All right, we gotta walk the rest of the way, man. We got to walk the rest of the way, and I'm gonna post up at the other spot up here. Really wish I could have got some poke, but I done went to, since I've been exploring poke, I went to how many places? Probably like 5-6 places. One of them is really good at a place called Fleming's. If you guys are familiar with that restaurant, it's kind of on the expensive side, but I did get some poke from there one time. I think that's #1 on my list, which that's good because it, again, like I said, it costs a lot of money. However, they only give you a little bit for like 20 bucks worth. And the next place is the place that's closed right now. And the other places I tried, they give you a lot, but it don't even really be that good, so it ain't worth it. Poke Express it is. Again, I'll make another vlog when they're open, which seems to be every day except Wednesday, the day I magically decided to come up here, and they ain't open. Like somebody else had that Gatorade idea too. So do I sit right here? Nah, there ain't no shade right there either. Damn, ain't no shade here or right there. Fuck it, we about to sit over here in the cut. But there's ants over here too. Yeah. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you? Is there a skate park over here that's like not just half pipes?
Nah, that's the only one.
That's the only one?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You get a little hill going down that way though, just riding over there, but yeah, that's the only skate park.
Okay, thank you.
See, I'm gonna have to come out here one day with the roller skates, man. I would bring my roller skates out here. I think I got some in the car, but as you can see, this is definitely not a good floor for roller skates, and neither is the sidewalk because it's not smooth floors. And it sounds like the sprinkler's about to hit me. Let's hope I don't get wet. Let me run out the way real quick. God damn. Was the April fooling me? I hear it, but I don't see nothing. Oh, they struggling. They struggling. I would go get a close-up, but I don't want to get laughed at when it all of a sudden starts working when I try to get a close-up of it. But then again, the GoPro is waterproof, right? Or water resistant, whatever. All right, I think it ain't gonna work, so let's go back over there. We're gonna sit on the board though, just to be sure. Just to be sure, we're gonna sit on the board. Damn, I done set the camera right in some shit. Goddamn. Camera about to die. Didn't get no good highlights for y'all. Didn't show y'all too much about the board. Oh well. I guess I did, right? I showed you as much as I could actually show you with a skateboard. A nickel board, penny board, whatever. Plastic skateboard. It's cool. A little loose. I actually do feel the sprinkler. It's hitting me from somewhere. I think it's really trying to come out, matter of fact, because I am getting wet. I should have been came down this side, man. That's where it's at. A nice big hill I can go down. It doesn't have a dead end stop. I done caught all the speed now. Now it looks like it's going uphill. But that whole area over there I just came from. Oh, I picked up some speed. I wasn't expecting that. That's why I didn't turn the camera on. Now I need one of those. I need one of the ones that got the little controller on it. That way I ain't gotta do no footwork. Just press a little button like a remote control and just cruising. Y'all see this a little, ain't no fancy birds. This is some regular pigeons right there, but they on this side too. To be honest with y'all, I ain't never even been to this side of the park ever. As many times as I came down here, this part look hella dry. I guess we just gonna explore the whole thing until my phone died. Look, we got a little hill coming up. Maybe I'll get some speed on this one. Maybe I'll get some speed on it. Oh, hopefully I don't fall. And hopefully I don't hit the birds. But we going in their direction. Yo, see? Whole bunch of them. I'm glad they didn't get scared too, because if they would have got scared trying to run out of the way, I would have got scared. And they would have either got hit or I would have failed. So I'm glad they played it cool, and I played it cool too. How's that sound? Usually the parking lot be hella full over here though. There is a couple cars over here. Nice little secluded area of the park. Doesn't look like there's nothing much to see on this side though. Some grass. I like the water side, you feel me? I like to be by the water. See some turtles and fish. There's some huge fish in there too. I don't know what kind they is. I was about to say something, but I don't want y'all to laugh at me and say those fish don't even get that big. So I ain't even gonna tell y'all what I thought it was. But there's some big fish in that pond over there. Look at this whole area, man. It still goes down like hella far probably too. Which way are we going? Let's go the long way. Let's go the long way, the way away from the car. Don't tell me I ain't going fast, man. Y'all see the shirt blowing? Y'all see me picking up some speed? Y'all see me picking up some speed? Don't act like you don't see it. Y'all want to start going on submissions with me? Let me know where in Vegas should I go, or where in San Diego should I go, or where in LA should I go. And maybe I'll start doing even more vlogs. I be doing stuff all the time, but I just don't be like, I be thinking, man, people don't want to see this. I ain't really up to much. But then again, I be sitting there watching videos of other people vlogging, and they don't be doing much at all. I usually just play their videos, let it play, while I be busy doing embroidery and stuff like that on the side. She better get him out the way. How you doing? I said, you see me with this speed, you better make sure he don't get in the way, because I ain't trying to fall either. So yeah, I wonder what that is over there though, that building. Now I know I'm at the end, and this is recognizable now. This is the back parking lot that usually do be packed, and right now it does look like it's fairly packed right now, but still not that many people out here. Looks like it's a birthday party or something like that going on over here, but still not many people at the park. I am enjoying this board though. Oh, it looks like a soccer team. That's what it looks like. Kids soccer team or something like that. Now I don't know if this is because of my shoes or because I heard somebody else say this, but I am gonna go ahead and say it. Also, my feet are definitely tingling on this board. So I guess that means it vibrates a lot. But then again, y'all see what shoes I got, right? I don't even know the model of these, but these some Nike shoes, not meant for skating, obviously, right? But with this being a cruiser and not like a trickster skateboard, matter of fact, you know what I'm gonna chalk it up to? It's all the lines in the concrete. That's what's causing it. Every time I hit a line, it's reacting on my feet. And it's making it hurt a little bit. Because I know these are definitely some comfortable shoes that I got, but they ain't feeling too good right at the moment. Shitload of birds over there. I need one of the what is it, the 360 cams, so y'all can see everything. Look, he looked like he was trying to hit me, man. He came straight for me. It was either me or him. I was about to show him who's boss. That's all I know. Finally found some shade. Now when I tell y'all though, man, this park be packed on certain days. There's just so much grass at this park, so many open areas. I guess you got a nice amount of shaded area, even with it being hot. It's still, I think she got attacked by a ant or something. Y'all seen her screaming? Oh, they doing tricks on that side. I bet not go over there, you feel me? I bet not go to where they're doing tricks at on the skateboards, because I ain't got it in me no more. I don't do that no more, man. That was back when I was young, brother. How you doing? I think I found my new my new entrance to get over here. Usually, as soon as I park, I go down like 2 little hills and I already be at the destination that I'm trying to get to. So I don't even get to cruise around that long. But going ahead and skating around the whole park, I like that one. But now we to this hill again. Got broken glass on the floor. Oh yeah, and I definitely feel it in my feet, my boy. I can't wait to kick these bad boys off and throw on the Crocs. Y'all know I got them all-terrain Crocs, man. I know y'all be clowning the Crocs, man, but shit, I've been wearing them. Probably a little too much. I ain't even gonna lie. Out the house and everything. I'm a goofy skater. Not goofy like clumsy, but if you skate, you know. My foot position, I'm goofy. But on my penny, I could ride regular also. So I want to try it on this one too, to see if I could ride regular. But I don't think I want to do it around these little cliffs and all the water and all the boo-boo on the ground. I don't think that's the world's greatest idea. Damn, I forgot that's why I left. Birdman's still over here. Birdman's still over here feeding. Look at him, he got a bunch of them next to him. I'm wondering where they all at though. Oh, here they go. There's a couple right here. I'm like, yeah, usually be way more animals out here walking around. The water's looking a little dry today, if you ask me. But there's a good amount. If there wasn't ants all over the floor, I definitely would have sat down. Showed some love to the turtles. I think y'all seen one. Oh, there goes one right there. Let's actually get close. Sometimes they be getting scared though. As soon as I come by, they like to run. But there go one of the turtles right here. Y'all see him? He's asleep. He got his eyes closed, his legs and feet tucked in. Just chilling. Just chilling. Ain't nowhere for me to sit over here though. Yep, see, I done scared him. Look, he just left. He must have heard the vibration in my voice and was like, shit, man. Fucking up my sleep, dog. My bad. My bad, dog. I didn't mean to do all that. I was just trying to show you some love for the YouTube, man. Let's keep it pushing, though. My nigga Quack right there. Got the whole family. Look at this person here, right here. This nigga, he looked like he went in the water and he wasn't supposed to. This nigga looked like a dirty bird for real. That is a dirty bird. Look at him. Feathers all toe up. He's scared of me too. He running away. I don't care. Run all you want to. I was trying to talk about you. I wasn't showing you no love. You look crazy as hell, boy. But it is more them than it is me, so I better watch my mouth before they turn their back on me. Oh, I don't think we're gonna get no closer than this. Oh damn. He dipped. The red ear slider. He dipped out. Y'all seen him, he was right there. He was right there. Do y'all know the different names for these things? How one got the green head, so that's a duck. Then we have a swan. And then I guess that's a swan too, the white ones. And then what's this one right here though too? Is that also a duck without the green head? Look at him. Man, I wanted to just chill by the turtles though, but I don't feel like being bothered today. I actually see him poking his head up right there. He waiting for me to leave so he can come back over to his spot. Y'all see his head sticking out? They ain't messing with me today. Look, y'all seen him? He just dipped again. As soon as I stood up, he was peeking. He was waiting to see when I left. I guarantee when I leave, he gonna be right back over here on the edge where he just was, because that's his spot. That's crazy where they go to sleep. Damn, he's stretching or something. Or they both stretching. Or maybe that's not a sign of stretching. Maybe that's a sign that they about to attack my ass. I better keep it pushing. That nigga feathers sound dry as hell. Sound like he need to get in the water. That nigga feathers ashy as hell. What is that right there, y'all? Is that a crow? I don't know my animals like that. I just like to watch them. I ain't studying them and watching Discovery Channel videos on birds or nothing, but I just be out here, you feel me? like GazerGazer said, man, we got to come out here and sun gaze, get out here with nature, become nature, man. Get your vibes up. Get your vibes up get your energy from the sun. You feel me? I ain't with all the preaching, but this is the type of stuff I do on the regular. I just don't be vlogging it because I ain't no vlogger, but we're gonna test it out. And as with anything, sometimes people don't fuck with it. They don't watch your shit. They don't like it anyway, but I'm just gonna start recording them anyway. And if you wanna see, you wanna see. All right, we're going out this way again. I could leave out on the other side as well, but I just want to go for one last little ride. I'm trying to avoid all the boo-boo on the ground. I don't think I'm doing such a good job at that though. And back up here we go. So I think I might have to end it on this one. About to go jump in the car, go blast some more of that copyright music, you know what I'm saying, that I can't put on camera. So of course I can't let y'all vibe with me on the way back to the house. Shit, what am I gonna do when I get back to the house now? I don't even know. Oh, somebody contacted me and said they approved that the order I did for them, the embroidery, it looks good. They're ready for me to send it, but I dipped out, man. I dipped out before closing time. So even though I am officially closed right now for the day, I'm gonna send you your file as soon as I get back because the delay was on me. When the delay's on y'all gonna have to wait. If you write me back after I'm closed for the day, I'm gonna holler at you tomorrow. But they wrote me back before I was closed, but I just been out here chilling. So I'm gonna go home, do my last little bit of work for the day, then kick my feet up like a boss, man. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.